Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a draft on Instagram. So what you want to do is open up your Instagram and open up this camera. It needs to be under your story, and then you need to click on the bottom left to open the drafts. Click on the drafts, click on select, and then click delete. Now, if you were recording a reel, for example like this one, again we need to save it as draft. But if I'm under story and I go to the gallery at the bottom left, I won't see the draft there. I need to be under the reel, and then bottom left again. As you can see, now we have drafts, top left drafts, and this is the video that I have saved. And then click again, and then click select, click on the video, click discard. Now it's discarded and there are no more drafts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.